So here's the crucial problem I see many wellness entrepreneurs facing, wellness professionals facing. They're hosting a lot of amazing workshops. They're getting people in the door. People are coming to them. Their attendees are loving the workshops. They're getting great feedback, but then nothing. Crickets. No program signups after that. No inquiries reaching out saying, can I work with you? Or I'm interested in work with you. Definitely no high ticket wellness program sales, just crickets after the applause ends. If this sounds familiar, not to worry, I've got you. You're putting in a lot of hours preparing content, marketing your workshops, delivering amazing value, only to walk away without feeling like, okay, that was it. Now I got to do the next workshop, do it all over again. That is a hustle cycle that does not end well. I've been there. I've been there teaching every weekend, trainings and workshops, classes in the morning and the evening, squeezing in one-to-one sessions in between all that. And it just leads to burnout. You really need to think big picture with your workshops and utilize social media. Yes, even if you're tech afraid, tech phobia, have a tech fear, it's okay. Instagram really does make it simple.